Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. WisdomTree files for XRP ETF in Delaware. Next, Cardano's market cap has tripled in 17 days. Here's what's fueling ADA rocket. Also, crypto advocacy group Coin Center named top 3 threats against digital asset industry. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, WisdomTree files for XRP ETF in Delaware. This state-level filing is seen as a preliminary step toward SEC approval. WisdomTree Funds, a New York-based asset management firm, registered in the state of Delaware for an XRP exchange-traded fund on November 25th, signaling its broader intent to file with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The company joins Bitwise, Canary Capital, and 21 Shares as an early XRP ETF applicant in the U.S. At the time of this article's publication, however, no such applications have been approved by the SEC. An XRP ETF, WisdomTree's filing comes at what may be a pivotal moment for XRP. Ripple and the San Francisco-based company that created the XRP cryptocurrency achieved a partial victory in a years-long battle against an SEC lawsuit when a judge ruled that XRP was not a security in July 2023. The SEC filed its official appeal on October 2, 2024, just ahead of the deadline given by the court. It was subsequently granted a request to delay the opening brief until January 15, 2025. Top-down regulatory reform. Donald Trump's victory in the 2024 U.S. presidential election in early November has led to a flurry of activity from the president-elect's transition team. While there's been no direct mention of the Ripple lawsuit, and the president-elect hasn't yet disclosed whether his administration will pursue current cryptocurrency suits levied by the SEC, analysts are predicting a radical change in the federal government's approach to cryptocurrency regulation and oversight. As part of the Republicans' campaign platform, Trump promised to make the U.S. the Bitcoin, crypto, and blockchain capital of the world. He's also criticized the federal government's handling of cryptocurrency under President Joseph Biden and current SEC Chair Gary Gensler. Once Trump takes office, however, the nation will reside under an entirely different financial governance scheme, one where conservative appointees hold the highest seats in the offices of the Treasury, pending approval, and Gensler is no longer employed at the SEC. Trump may ultimately install a regulatory regime willing to dismiss the long-standing suits against firms such as Ripple. This would likely pave the way for an XRP ETF potentially sooner than analysts have anticipated. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Cardano's market cap has tripled in 17 days. Here's what's fueling ADA rocket. Cardano, or ADA, has emerged as one of the cryptocurrency market's standout performers. Its market capitalization has tripled in just 17 days to reach an impressive $37.40 billion. The surge coincides with ADA's price climbing to $1.16 on Friday, marking its highest level since April 2022. Currently ranked as the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, ADA has recorded a remarkable 47% increase in value over the past week. Supporting this upward momentum, data from Sentiment highlights that trader realized profits are at their highest in 8 months, while social media discussions about ADA have reached an 11-month peak. That said, several factors fuel Cardano's rally, including founder Charles Hoskinson's active push for regulatory clarity. Mid-last week, Hoskinson, who played a key role in passing 31 crypto laws in Wyoming, revealed plans to work closely with U.S. lawmakers to address regulatory challenges. In a tweet, the crypto mogul announced Operation Baseline, an initiative launching in January under IO policy to survey the American cryptocurrency industry to identify waste, abuse, and missed opportunities. This proactive approach toward regulatory clarity has strengthened investor confidence in the project's long-term potential, adding to the momentum behind ADA's rise. Cardano's integration with Bitcoin through the Bitcoin OS Grail bridge has also contributed to the surge. This innovation enables Bitcoin to leverage Cardano's smart contract capabilities without the risks associated with traditional token bridges, potentially unlocking billions in Bitcoin liquidity for the Cardano DeFi ecosystem. Additionally, the November 13th relisting of ADA on Robinhood significantly expanded the token's accessibility to retail investors, with the platform's 25 million users now having direct access to trade the cryptocurrency. This increased exposure has contributed to the surge in trading volume and price appreciation. The platform's decentralized finance, or DeFi, ecosystem has shown remarkable growth, reaching new all-time highs of $609.97 million in total value locked, or TVL, according to data from DeFi Llama. This milestone demonstrates growing user confidence in Cardano's technical infrastructure and decentralized applications. Market enthusiasm has been further fueled by speculation around a potential Cardano ETF following the success of similar products for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Analyst Chris Does Crypto shared insights on this in a Saturday video, emphasizing its potential to impact ADA's price and adoption trajectory significantly. Social sentiment is on fire right now, with many seeing this as a major step towards mainstream adoption. This could bring institutional money pouring into Cardano and solidify ADA's position as one of the top players in the crypto market, he stated. ADA continues to display strong momentum on the technical front after breaking above the key $1 resistance level. While a retracement to $1 is possible, analysts anticipate a rally toward the next resistance at $1.20. Beyond that, ADA faces minimal barriers to further upside. ADA was trading at $1.07 at the time of writing, reflecting a 1.34% dip in the past 24 hours. Our next top headline, Crypto Advocacy Group Coin Center names top 3 threats against digital asset industry. A prominent nonprofit crypto advocacy group is naming the biggest current threats to the digital assets industry. In a new report analyzing crypto legislation after the 2024 U.S. presidential election, Coin Center says the 3 biggest threats to the industry are the Internal Revenue Service's mandate to report crypto transactions larger than $10,000, the sanctions placed on crypto mixer Tornado Cash, and prosecutions against unlicensed money transmissions. Coin Center says all of the threats mentioned may not be addressed by the next presidential administration. First, we already have ongoing litigation in the 60501 context. We are arguing that mandated warrantless reports to the IRS, which include personal information for those receiving $10,000 or more in crypto, are unconstitutional. Second, we also have ongoing litigation in the Tornado Cash sanctions context. We are arguing that sanctions laws do not give the Treasury the power to ban Americans from using tools like immutable smart contracts that are neither foreign persons nor their property. Third, we have watched with alarm as the Southern District of New York has brought unlicensed money transmission prosecutions against the developers of non-custodial software tools, Tornado Cash and Samurai Wallet, and we will continue to aid the defendants in those cases as best as we can. According to Coin Center, the notion that Donald Trump's administration will be good for the centralized crypto industry is credible. However, the firm is unsure if Trump's administration will consider rolling back frivolous regulations aimed at the decentralized crypto sector, a move they expect Congress to consider. Less certain is whether the new administration will be interested in scaling back overzealous sanctions and AML policies. We're nonetheless hopeful that there can be progress here if it becomes increasingly clear that even with friendlier SEC, draconian surveillance and control policies will continue to drive innovators away from the U.S., chill development, and deny ordinary Americans the benefits of these technologies. We are also optimistic that Congress may be primed to take on a bigger role in pushing back on these surveillance issues. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.